Hey, Snuggles. You gonna show that tongue? Ooh, look at him. Look at him. Look at Snuggles. Hey, Snuggles. Hey, Snuggles. Hello. Hi. Hey. Hey, boy. Hey, man. Hey. 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 No, don't try to grab the phone. Hey. 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 Well, there's the tongue. He always stick his tongue out. That means he like you. Ooh, he's sticking that. Look at him. You so funny. Snuggles. You are just one funny parrot. Snuggles is a yellow and blue macaw. Or you can call him a blue and gold macaw. I call him a blue and gold macaw. But he is always doing something with his tongue. It's either sitting on the side of his beak or he'll lick his tongue at you. That means he like you. Don't bite the phone. There we go. There's that tongue. He's silly. He is a silly bird. He makes me laugh all the time. Say hi, everyone. Look what I can do. Look at me. Look at me. Look what I can do. I can stick my tongue out.